In this video, I'll show you how to earn $100 by just watching videos. What type of videos you ask? Videos like TV shows and movies, and you earn up to $100. I'll show you the site that pays you by just watching videos. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. I'm Chido Original and welcome to my know-how channel. In this know-how channel, I teach you everything and anything you need to know about making money online, about investing your money and making your money work for you as well. So you might consider subscribing to my know-how channel so you won't miss out on any important update. I drop videos 2 times every single week. So subscribe, hit that red subscribe button now and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out on any update. And in today's topic, I'll be telling you guys how to earn money by just watching videos online. Just watching videos right online. So let's dive right into it. Just open up your browser and go to the URL tab and type volkno.com, right? It sounds like volcano, but it's volkno.com. Just type volkno.com and it will load up, and I'll show you guys exactly how to use this site and start making money by just watching videos. Okay, this is my site. I'll quickly log out to show you guys how it works first. So I've already created an account. I have account with them. So let me just walk you guys through what volkno.com is and what they do. So what is hot? What's hot, right? Watch and rate videos for new movies and TV shows and more. Just rate. The purpose of this website is just for you to rate videos for them and help them know the videos that is appealing to you, so that they can provide more of those videos. They can create more content around that kind of videos. So that's the main purpose. So they need feedback from you guys. So watch and rate videos for new movies, TV shows and more. Do you want to have an impact on which movies and TV shows get made and released? So this is where you can get impact on the type of movies they will be releasing. That's for US and Hollywood, but this site you can use it anywhere. I'll show you guys. Like I said, I've already I have account with them already, so I'll show you guys how to register real quick. So even better, want to get paid for doing it, then Volcano is for you. Simple watch videos and give them feedback. Just give them feedback like a review, whether you like the video, whether it's interesting, whether it's entertaining for you. Just give them that feedback and they will definitely pay you. So on Voca, you decide what's hot, create an account and get started today. So like I told you guys, movies, TV shows, games as well. So they have game section. So watch videos, give feedback. Number one, watch videos. So you can watch videos and just give them feedback on your honest review, what you feel about the video and all that. Volkno have videos for new movies, TV shows, digital content, video games and more. You simply have to watch and provide feedback on what you like or dislike, and this is how it makes you feel and how it makes you feel, right? Volkno captures your feedback and rewards you with flow. So here they pay with flow. There's something they call flow. Flow is their currency, just like money. So they pay with flow and you convert the flow to cash. That's US dollars, and you cash it out and start making it happen for you. So that's the first. They say 2, give feedback and earn flow. So you can just give feedback and earn flow. What's flow? Flow is our reward point system. So it's more like their monetary system for this Volkno. It's their monetary system. Your activity and our qualities of feedback directly impact the amount of flow you earn. So the more feedback you give, the more flow you earn. That's basically what it's trying to tell you. So just read them and earn. I will encourage you to go through all this once you go to this site, this volkno.com. Go through all these sections so you understand very well what they are doing. Redeem your flow and get paid. You can redeem your flow. You will receive a gift card via email. That's Amazon gift card via email. As you can see, this is Amazon gift card via email. They have $5, $20, $50, $100. You receive it and redeem it via your email address. They'll send it to you on email. So that's how they pay you. So real quick, let me show you guys how to register in this website. So they basically accept residents in US, residents only, but it doesn't matter. We always have a trick to go around all this. So in case you're staying in places like Bangladesh or Nigeria or Kenya or South Africa, or Ghana as well. So I'll show you guys how to register. Just go to your VPN. I keep recommending this Hola VPN. Like I said, this is Hola, and I switched it on to United States, and guess what? It's free. It's free. Just go to Chrome extension and download Hola extension VPN and install it, and it will be right here. Just click on USA. My own is active right now. As you can see, it's showing a flag. And one cool thing about why I recommend this, they are not even paying me. I'm just trying to encourage you guys to use it. You can use Windscribe as well, but I prefer this. One cool thing about this Hola is that I can open a new tab right here, and it's not active. There's no USA. It's just showing me their logo, and I can open another tab and activate it here. I'll on the US VPN. I'll activate it here. So it works by tab by tab. It can be active here and not active here, and vice versa. So that's one cool thing about it, and I recommend it. I highly recommend it. See, if you're getting value already on this video, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification if you haven't done so. And if you have any questions so far or comments, just leave it on the comment section below. Like I said, moving on to this site, I already have an account. This is my username and my password. I'll simply log in, right? I'll simply log in because I already have an account. Let me quickly type in the password, right? I'll quickly log in and it will load up, and I'll show you guys more about the interface. So as you can see, this is me. I haven't added my picture and I have 0 flows. That's no currency in. There's no currency. Still loading, guys. So if you have any question, just leave it on the comment section, and check out the links on my description box if you want to make purchase using my affiliate links and affiliate programs as well. So as you can see, this is some of the movies that they have. Joker, everybody knows Joker. If you play it now, to start playing, and if you play this one, start playing. So this is free. It just makes use of your data in case you are in a place. This is Batman, Batwoman. All these are more of premium movies, and you watch it for free. So even if you want to watch free movies, you can come here and watch it. But the cool thing is, as you are watching it, you are getting paid. You are getting flows. So these flows, you convert it to money using Amazon gift card, like I showed you guys earlier. So you can watch this one. You can watch anyone that is of interest, and they are all new. Start Collector. All these are new movies. You can watch as this one. All these are new movies. So it's a very cool. Imagine if you're a movie lover and you're watching and you're getting paid. How awesome is that? I'm giving you guys benefit and value how to start making it, even in this pandemic that people have been complaining. So I'm giving you guys a way out. So that's what this channel is all dedicated to. So make sure you subscribe as well. So moving on, once you watch as much movies, your flow and will be recorded here, and it will appear here, the flow. Then you can collect those flows and use it for Amazon gift card, and they will pay you, send it to your email address, and you can cash it out using many sites. There are many sites you can sell an Amazon gift card. If you want me to do a video about that, just leave it on the comment section. I will do a video about how you can sell your Amazon gift card and convert it to cash real quick. That's not a problem, right? So it's not even a problem. So this is how the site works. As you can see here, they say 1,000 flow equals to $1, but I can show you guys a bonus tip on how to earn way more. How you can earn way more than just this. So in case you have like multiple phones or multiple tabs of tablets or iPads and all that, you can create multiple accounts in this. You can create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even 5 accounts, and register on this Volkno account. Just register on this Volkno.com and register using your email. Just confirm your email, just like a 2-step registration process. It's very easy. So once you register, you can play this on the first phone, play this on the second phone, play this on the third phone, play this on the fifth phone, play this on the fifth phone, as the case may be. You understand? Just leave it on standby, and it can serve as a passive revenue for you, just like a passive revenue. And once, after watching each, you have to rate them. You have to tell them the mood, whether it's a happy mood. That is selected by emojis. If it's a happy movie, you encourage it. They can do more movies like that. Or you don't dislike it, you don't like it at all. So once you submit your review, they definitely give you these flows that I'm telling you guys. They just give you flows, and you can convert it and redeem it using this Amazon gift card, as you can see here. So they need your feedback. They're basically saying it, we need your feedback, right? We need your feedback. See guys, if you haven't checked out my EP, it's on the description box below. The EP is Africana Vibes, just in case you are wondering what African sounds like, you want to get a feel of African sounds, just take it on the description box below. It's just there, right? Just take it out. It's dope and it's available on all media platforms. Just take it out. So I'll encourage you guys to play the playlist that will pop up on your screen right now. They say playlist, play the playlist and watch as much video there. It's giving you great content and great value as well. So watch that playlist and smash that like button for me, right? And share this video with your friends, like I said. And thank you guys for staying tuned. I will see you on my next video.